So before we jump into this wig transformation, I just want to come up here and show you guys how this wig is looking. I've had this wig probably for a couple of years now, and I attempted to do like not a peekaboo hair color, but pretty much I dyed half of the wig this copper color and it has faded. So I just want to just switch it up. So here is a close-up of the wig before we jump into this hair transformation. This is a closure unit, body wave. Okay, you guys, we are keeping it very beginner friendly today during the watercolor method, and I'm going to be using a large plastic container to do my watercolor method, and I'm also going to be using the Revlon Color Silk permanent hair color in the shade Jet Black, and I will be using 2 bottles of this color. You guys, this product is super duper easy to use. If you are not a professional, they make it very easy. They have your developer in one bottle and your color in another bottle, and all you have to do is simply pour the color into the developer bottle. And here I'm just pouring everything together, and once you have your mixture, you're just going to shake up the bottle so that way the contents can start to mix and blend together. Now that I have my hair color ready to go, I'm going to move on to protecting my lace. I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glued Freeze Spray to protect the lace from turning black as well as the knots. And you guys, you definitely do not want to be afraid to be generous with this product, because this is definitely going to help create a protective barrier so that way that color does not seep into your lace and just turn everything black. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour in my water. I did already pour half of room temp water and the rest is going to be boiling hot water. I just didn't want it to be super duper hot. And now I'm going to be pouring in the hair color, and want to make sure that you get all of the color out of the bottle. You can actually put a little bit of water inside of the bottle and pour the rest of it out. And here I'm just taking a hair color brush just to mix and break up that product so that way it's not all lumpy and clumped up together. And I'm just pouring in the second bottle of developer and color and mixing that up as well. And you guys, I also did set a timer for 15 minutes just so that way I can make sure I'm not overdoing the color and getting it onto the lace. And here I'm just simply dipping the wig, submerging it in the water to make sure I get every single strand dyed. Now you guys, I keeps it real with y'all. As you all can see, the bottom did dye black, but the top is still giving brown. So I don't know what happened, but your girl is gonna see it through. So I went back to the beauty supply store and got 2 bottles of the red Kiss Tentation hair color in Jet Black. And we're doing the same thing. So we have half room temp water and half boiling hot water. I did pour both of the bottles of the Kiss Tentation, and this is a semi-permanent hair color. Again, you guys, I really don't know why it didn't take the first time, but as you guys can see, like, she is getting jet black with this Kiss Tentation. So I'm not sure, maybe next time that I do this method, I'll probably just try just the Kiss Tentation and see if that works by itself. But anyways, it got the job done, and yes, we are getting jet black. So now I'm just gonna go in and style this wig. And the first thing we gotta do is get this closure in check because it's looking like Humpty Dumpty. So first I'm going to take the Ashite Triple Silkening Serum. I love this serum. It's very nice and lightweight. All you need is either 1 to 2 pumps. And I'm just submerging that all throughout the hair. Like I said, it's a very nice lightweight serum. And I'm going to take the She Balm hair stick. This is my favorite wax stick. You guys, I swear by this wax stick. It's going to get your closure, your frontal nice and flat. And again, do not be afraid to be generous with your products, because this one definitely does work. So after I have it applied, I'm just gonna grab my hot comb on the highest setting and smooth and press out that closure, and bam, look at that. She's giving Scorpiana now. Like, you can't tell me this is a wig anymore. So you definitely do not want to skip this step, ladies. If you're trying to figure out how to flatten out that closure or frontal, you definitely want to use your wax stick and your hot comb. It just makes a whole bunch of a difference. And I'm simply just doing all my curls going away from the frizz. No special technique. If you guys want to see a full in-depth hair curling tutorial, definitely make sure you comment that down below. Now you guys, this was my first time trying the Velcro Rollers. I normally pin curl my curls with just silver clips or bobby pins after I curl them, but you guys, the Velcro Rollers are a game changer. If you want that nice blowout look, like, you're definitely gonna get it with this type of hair roller. Now, as you guys can see, you know, that first curl, she wasn't giving, you know. I don't know if it's just me, but like that first curl, it's kind of like make or break, but you still got to stick to it. So as you guys can see, I'm just taking the rollers out and just twisting the hair in the opposite direction to get them out. You definitely want to be gentle when you're taking your hair out of Velcro rollers because it will disturb the curls if you just rip it out. And here I'm just taking some Ashite Diamond Hold Spray to just kind of lightly give a nice light hold to the curl. And here I'm just putting my final touches on this look. And you guys, if you want to know all the details on this makeup look, do not forget to check out that video. I will have that video uploaded as well. And you guys, I just love how these curls came out. I'm probably a Velcro roller girly now. Like, look at those curls, just nice and voluminous. If you like volume in your hair, I definitely would suggest doing this step. You guys, let me know down below in the comments what you thought about this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this with your beauty besties so we all can look fabulous together, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.